This Tagalog lesson is about the word minsan, which means sometimes in English. Minsan. Nadadaig ako minsan ng init ng ulo ko. Meaning, my temper sometimes gets the better of me. Nadadaig ako minsan ng init ng ulo ko. My temper sometimes gets the better of me. Minsan, tanghali na akong gumigising. I sometimes sleep in. Minsan, tanghali na akong gumigising. I sometimes sleep in. Pinupuntahan niya ako minsan. He sometimes drops in on me. Pinupuntahan niya ako minsan. He sometimes drops in on me. Minsan, mas mabuting huwag na lang magsalita. Sometimes, it's best not to say anything. Minsan, mas mabuting huwag na lang magsalita. Sometimes, it's best not to say anything. Ipinupusod niya minsan ang buhok niya. She sometimes wears her hair in a bun. Ipinupusod niya minsan ang buhok niya. She sometimes wears her hair in a bun. Minsan, umaasta siya na parang akala mo amo ko siya. Sometimes, he acts as if he were my boss. Minsan, umaasta siya na parang akala mo amo ko siya. Sometimes, he acts as if he were my boss. Nakakatuwa ang mga biro niya, pero minsan, sumusobra naman siya. His jokes are funny, but sometimes, he goes too far. Nakakatuwa ang mga biro niya, pero minsan, sumusobra naman siya. His jokes are funny, but sometimes, he goes too far. Minsan, gunting ang ginagamit kong pambukas ng lata. I sometimes use scissors as a can opener. Minsan, gunting ang ginagamit kong pambukas ng lata. I sometimes use scissors as a can opener. Minsan, nilalagyan ko yun ng konting asin. I sometimes put a little salt in it. Minsan nilalagyan ko yun ng konting asin. I sometimes put a little salt in it. Doon din kami kumakain minsan. We also eat there sometimes. Doon din kami kumakain minsan. We also eat there sometimes. Kalaro ko siya sa tennis minsan. I play tennis with her sometimes. Kalaro ko siya sa tennis minsan. I play tennis with her sometimes. Minsan, nagbubus ako papasok sa trabaho. Sometimes I take the bus to work. Minsan, nagbubus ako papasok sa trabaho. Sometimes I take the bus to work. Minsan, nagko-kotse ako. Minsan, naglalakad. Sometimes I go by car. Sometimes I walk. Minsan, nagko-kotse ako. Minsan, naglalakad. Sometimes I go by car. Sometimes I walk. Nakakabuwisit minsan ang trabaho ko. My job can be annoying sometimes. Nakakabuwisit minsan ang trabaho ko. My job can be annoying sometimes. Nakakalimutan ko minsan diligan ang mga halaman ko. I sometimes forget to water my plants. Nakakalimutan ko minsan diligan ang mga halaman ko. I sometimes forget to water my plants. Minsan napapanaginipan ko ang mga aso ko. I sometimes dream of my dogs. Minsan napapanaginipan ko ang mga aso ko. I sometimes dream of my dogs. Nagkikita kami minsan sa mall. We sometimes meet at the mall. Nagkikita kami minsan sa mall. We sometimes meet at the mall. Lahat tayo nagkakamali minsan. We all make mistakes sometimes. Lahat tayo nagkakamali minsan. We all make mistakes sometimes. Minsan, nalulungkot ako. I feel sad sometimes. Minsan nalulungkot ako. I feel sad sometimes. Minsan, gabi na siyang umuuwi. He sometimes comes home late. Minsan, gabi na siyang umuuwi. He sometimes comes home late. Nahihirapan akong mag-concentrate minsan. I find it hard to concentrate sometimes. Nahihirapan akong mag-concentrate minsan. I find it hard to concentrate sometimes. Ipinaghuhugas ko ng plato minsan ng lola ko. I sometimes do the dishes for my grandmother. Ipinaghuhugas ko ng plato minsan ng lola ko. I sometimes do the dishes for my grandmother. Minsan, gusto kong mag-isa lang ako. I just want to be on my own sometimes. Minsan, gusto kong mag-isa lang ako. I just want to be on my own sometimes. Nakikita ko siya minsan sa bar. I sometimes see him at the bar. Nakikita ko siya minsan sa bar. I sometimes see him at the bar. Minsan sumusobra ka na. You sometimes get out of line. Minsan sumusobra ka na. You sometimes get out of line. Nakakainis ka minsan. You get on my nerves sometimes. Or you're annoying sometimes. Nakakainis ka minsan. You get on my nerves sometimes. You're annoying sometimes. Nagtatrabaho siya ng 8 oras sa isang araw, pero minsan, higit pa ron. She works 8 hours a day, but sometimes more than that. Nagtatrabaho siya ng 8 oras sa isang araw, pero minsan, higit pa roon. She works 8 hours a day, but sometimes more than that. Mainit ang ulo ko minsan. I'm in a bad temper sometimes. Mainit ang ulo ko minsan. I'm in a bad temper sometimes. Mahirap kontrolin minsan ang nararamdaman natin. It's sometimes difficult to control our feelings. Mahirap kontrolin minsan ang nararamdaman natin. It's sometimes difficult to control our feelings. Minsan, kinakausap ko yung kapitbahay ko sa kabilang bakod. I sometimes talk to my neighbor across the fence. Minsan, kinakausap ko yung kapitbahay ko sa kabilang bakod. I sometimes talk to my neighbor across the fence. Minsan, binabalikan ko ang pagkabata ko. I sometimes look back on my childhood. Minsan, binabalikan ko ang pagkabata ko. I sometimes look back on my childhood. Minsan, kailangang maging mahigpit. Sometimes it's necessary to be strict. Minsan, kailangang maging mahigpit. Sometimes it's necessary to be strict. Minsan, nahihirapan silang magdesisyon. They sometimes have trouble making decisions. Minsan, nahihirapan silang magdesisyon. They sometimes have trouble making decisions.